We are pleased to show you the 2018 Jeep Renegade. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, roof rails, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, ambient lighting, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, airbags, driver, knee, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, multifunction display, child safety locks, power steering. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built in a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.